Alright, so we got the car, we got the front diff shimmed, we put a new front diff casing on it. New diff casing, and got a fully charged 6S in it. And yeah, I've had it on 50, I put it on 75 once. And yeah, this thing's a freaking monster. This thing runs on 6S LiPo. And yeah, so we're gonna be doing a test drive, and here we go. Now the noise you're hearing is, what are you putting it so close for?
I can't see.
Oh, get sunglasses on.
I don't have sunglasses.
Well, the reason why it's clicking, guys, is because of the center diff. Something's wrong with the center diff. When I nail it in reverse, face up the car seat. No, there's no clicking in the front. It's all the center diff. Listen, Ed. It's all in the middle. So that's the car, and we're gonna be doing a few things to it later. And this car is worth $600, and the people I'm fixing this for, they are awesome guys. There's no one else I'd rather work with than these people. I'm not gonna give away their names just for their safety, well, just because they don't want their name out on the internet. So don't do that. Smart ass. Alright, so yeah, this is the Arma Outcast 6S BLX. I've already ran over that. Don't even get me started on that. Ooh, that was nice. Come on, T. Do better than that. Bruh. Alright. Well, that's going to be it for today's video, guys. So, Arma Outcast 6S BLX. And here's the remote. It's a STX2. I don't know why. Nice. I don't know why has such a delay, but whatever. He just jumped that. And so yeah. Spent 12 hours on this thing. Brakes. Get out of there. Get out of there.
Can't see me.
Idiot. Alright, so that's gonna be it for today, guys. Here's some proof for 6S. 6 cells. Alright. That's it for today, guys. Till then, peace.